even if I'm dead a morning, Kartel dead a morning, the youth them are going to still remember we. But at the end of the day, we have to show respect. Winford, we have to show the youth them say, we can still unite.
In terms of dancehall itself, Kartel are one of the biggest dancehall artists in Jamaica. Sean Paul would have been that.
Me and Vybz Kartel build 2 columns in the dancehall. Me and Vybz Kartel embedded in the dancehall.
Stark Ashley.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want Stark ever in a
No, she's my friend. It does stop me. Wait, because of that part.
King of dancehall is Sean Paul, but the king of dancehall, local diaspora, Vybz Kartel. But we are talking about dancehall now.
Yeah, pan a worldwide scale.
Yeah, we are talking about dancehall, overall dancehall. Sean Paul is king of dancehall.
Why you call him and make him come talk, you know?
Yes.
Because I tell you this now, Winford.
Would you sit with him?
This interview here, what you mean? I don't have no problem. Call him anytime. I can come to Jamaica.
What the most expensive gift you ever buy?
A Benz?
You buy a girl a Benz?
2 car. Yeah, and that alone too. Buy all bracelet we cost our 1 million.
Hold on there, and Beenie Man now, because Beenie Man ever talk about my king of dancehall. Yeah, Beenie Man bigger than Kartel worldwide.
Yeah.
And anybody debate upon that, they don't know. As a matter of fact, Beenie Man have the biggest dancehall line.
So now people, all of that is coming up into the video. You see me I say, but first, respect for tuning into another video. Yeah, and from when you see the thumbnail and the title, then you already know what is on the agenda today. And right now people, we see where in which dancehall artist Mavado is sending a message to Vybz Kartel. And basically Mavado say at the end of the day, he want to reunite with Vybz Kartel. And him also want to have a sit down with the artist in front of the whole Jamaica. You see me I say, and people, we know that since Vybz Kartel came out of prison, Vybz Kartel has been sending a lot of big ups to Mavado. You see me I say, and at the end of the day we can see say Vybz Kartel also want to reunite with Mavado. You see me I say, so at the end of the day this is a good look. But people, before we jump into the Vybz Kartel and Mavado situation, right now we have Valiant is having an interview with Jeffrey. You see me I say, and basically Jeffrey asks Valiant the question, what is the most expensive gift him ever buy him girl? You see me I say, and really and truly Valiant name out a couple things, but him even state say at the end of the day him buy him girl 2 car already. And I've seen on the internet where a lot of people has been speculating that, yeah, basically a Mayan Valiant attack. You see me I say, because people, we know that it is highly speculated allegedly that Valiant and Mayan is in a secret relationship. You see me I say, people want to share your thoughts on that down into the comment section. But people here, you see, before me telling you everything while going on the video, I want to check out the interview because basically Valiant attack up a bag of things. You see me I say, so here, with no further ado, check out the interview.
Alright, so as I say, what are the most money you ever give a girl one time?
The most?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna really disclose that.
Why?
Give her money.
Alright, what are the most expensive gift you ever buy?
A Benz?
You buy a girl a Benz?
2 car.
2 car?
Yeah, I remember I'm in a cap, so I'm not there, so I try to look no clout or nothing.
For real?
Yeah.
You and a girl still there?
No.
So you tell what the Benz?
Why? Bro, I can buy more Benz. Yeah, but yeah, and that alone too. Buy all bracelet we cost our 1 million.
Yeah, bracelet.
Yeah. Yeah, US, when I said, yeah, US, 6,000 US. Or 1 million that though. Yeah. That enough?
Right, no, babe. Money relative, you know.
Yeah, I mean, I
don't have that type of money.
No, I mean, I save, you know. Save.
Yeah.
Stark Ashley.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want Stark ever in a
No, she's my friend. It does stop me. Wait, because of that part.
Like relationship.
What that?
You want leave?
Bro, nobody would no. Yo, no.
If a girl make me wait long for the pussy, I'm fuck it, me no want to fuck it again. I'm sorry.
We're gonna look like we're dead, but we're not dead. We're not dead. We just have a mad vibes and thing. You know what them look away there?
Yeah, so that is it, people. You see me I say, and really and truly, I want to drop on honest thoughts down into the comment section. If you think say at the end of the day, a Mayan Valiant did buy the Benz for and also that bracelet for $1 million. And really and truly, it seems like if Jeffrey did kind of have that money, him want to buy him girl that share on thoughts and that also, people. You see me I say, but let's jump back into the Vybz Kartel and Mavado situation. You see me I say, I know a lot of people have been seeing Vybz Kartel bigging up Mavado on the internet. You see me I say, and basically a lot of people also wonder what is Mavado reaction towards that if Mavado would really want to reunite with Vybz Kartel. And people, the reason why I say reunite, we all know that Vybz Kartel and Mavado was a part of the alliance. You see me I say, and basically the two artists them have about like 5 collaborations together. You see me I say, and really and truly when me look into this right now, knowing say Vybz Kartel want to reunite with Mavado and Mavado want to do just the same. Yeah, basically this give me a Bounty Killer and Beenie Man vibes. You see me I say, because we all know that Bounty Killer and Beenie Man dominate for them era in a dancehall. You see me I say, and Vybz Kartel and Mavado is like just the same. And really and truly people, when you look into it, Beenie Man and Bounty Killer was having their lyrical battles throughout their career, and right now we see where in which the two artists them reunite like no other. So when you say Mavado and Vybz Kartel do just the same, yeah, basically it is a very good look, and it shows that them are follow in the legend them footstep. You see me I say people. So basically in this interview people, this interview was done like a couple months before Vybz Kartel came out. You see me I say, and Mavado did this interview on stage with Winford Williams. You see me I say, and basically Mavado say at the end of the day, him and Vybz Kartel build a column in a dancehall when nobody can tear down. You see me I say, and at the end of the day too also, him no want Fame son and Vybz Kartel son grow up and see the two of them and live the same. You see me I say, so basically Mavado say at the end of the day, him want to have a sit down with Vybz Kartel in front of the whole Jamaica where Vybz Kartel and him can talk to the people them. You see me I say, but here people, you see, instead of me I go tell you everything what go on, I want to check out this interview from Mavado, yeah, and drop on honest thoughts down into the comment section on this situation.
Me and Vybz Kartel build 2 column in the dancehall. Me and Vybz Kartel embedded in the dancehall. No matter what happen. Even if I'm dead a morning, Kartel dead a morning, the youth them are going to still remember we. But at the end of the day, we have to show respect. Winford, we have to show the youth them say, we can still unite. Think about it, Winford. I can't make my little son grow up tomorrow. And Kartel's son grow up and come say the two of we live same way. And them think that Winford. Why you call him and make him come talk, you know?
Yes.
Because I tell you this now, Winford.
Would you sit with him?
This interview here, what I mean? I don't have no problem. Call him anytime. I can't come to Jamaica. More you call him and put him over that side and me over that side. Because him have to talk to Jamaica and tell them.
Yeah, so that is it people, you see me I say, and as I said before, I want to share on honest thoughts down into the comment section and what the gully gotta say right I say, you see me I say. But people, we also see where in which top selector Nico Fire was doing an interview on the Shidel review channel on YouTube, you see me I say, and basically Nico Fire say at the end of the day, Sean Paul is the king of the dancehall and not Vybz Kartel. He say at the end of the day, internationally, Sean Paul and Beenie Man is much bigger than Vybz Kartel. Just to pon the ground, the people them respect and love Vybz Kartel more. Nico Fire even stated that Sean Paul has a lot more big tune than Vybz Kartel internationally, and that Beenie Man is more recognized internationally than Vybz Kartel. And really and truly people, when me check out what Nico Fire really has say right, so basically whole heap of logics in it people, and basically enough of the things them where the selector say, yeah, basically a fact. You see me I say. But for all the Gaza fans, more want to listen what Nico Fire say right I say, yeah, and drop on honest thoughts down into the comment section and make we discuss it. And we don't need to be biased about this situation, people, because basically we know that internationally, Sean Paul, Beenie Man, and also Shaggy, yeah, them man that dominate the international space in dancehall. You see me I say? So you don't know, we have to give the props where the props is due. And when you really look at it, all these 3 artists have also win Grammy already. You see me I say? As we all know, Vybz Kartel just get nominated for him first Grammy. And at the end of the day, these artists have been going internationally in America for multiple years now, you see me I say, and Shaggy and Sean Paul also live in America. Vybz Kartel never really have that luxury, and also Vybz Kartel US visa was taken away from him from a longer time, whereas the artist did kind of in a prison for excessive time, you see me I say. So basically these are some of the things why Vybz Kartel is not out there like the Sean Paul and the Beenie and the Shaggy, you see me I say people. But at the end of the day, all of the international artists, rapper, etc. want to do collaboration with Vybz Kartel. So for all of those who saying that Vybz Kartel is not on a certain level internationally, yeah, uno just wait, all of that is coming for the artists like the comment, you see me I say. But people really and truly want to check out when Nico Fire and drop on honest thoughts down into the comment section on this situation.
But on the ground, Kartel and the man still.
Yeah.
On the ground, but in terms of dancehall itself, Kartel are the biggest dancehall artists in Jamaica. Sean Paul would have be that. But on the ground,
So-
a Kartel.
So
Street, on the street, and in
the
the
street,
dancehall
yeah.
diaspora,
Yeah.
a Kartel. But in the world, a Sean Paul, me still. You see me?
who you would have say I king of dancehall currently then?
King of dancehall, a Sean Paul.
So we
No,
would
no.
have put it,
What
king
you
of
say?
dancehall.
King of dancehall, a Sean Paul, but the king of dancehall, local diaspora, a
Kartel.
Vybz Kartel. But we are talking about dancehall now.
Yeah,
Sean Paul.
pan a worldwide scale.
Yeah, we're talking about
scale.
dancehall, overall dancehall. Sean Paul, I king of dancehall.
True, me can't go around that.
Who
Honestly,
might
me
differ
can't go
from
around
me
that.
and who might say a lie, me I tell, is because no know dancehall, the history of the dancehall, music and the,
No,
and
enough people that say the reason why them not give Sean Paul are because through him no streets.
streets.
Yeah,
But the dancehall him a do.
that may I say
Alright then, alkaline and streets.
somewhat.
You not see alkaline in the streets, man.
No, as in music, then would I say street people
yeah, but
would have
alkaline
more relate to
no,
it.
alright then, when me I try go at is alkaline, you not see alkaline, because alkaline say that look if you see me.
Yeah.
So you not see alkaline, but alkaline is a dancehall artist. Me can't go say that alkaline is not a dancehall artist because the people them not see him go up a Boom Sundays or people them not see him
And
in a
true.
taboo.
And
or
you
people
can't
them
say,
not- so
and
me not
nobody
really-
can say Sean Paul not do dancehall, cause him number one song, I think, I don't know if I'm first number one, but Temperature.
Brother,
Temperature, I want fully dancehall, fully,
brother Sean Paul a
him not
dancehall.
twang
for me,
or
Sean
nothing,
Paul-
not fully
Sean Paul-
dancehall,
Sean
fully
Paul do
dancehall
dancehall.
rhythm.
Shidel, people now comment and tell me if I lie me and tell. Sean Paul do dancehall. You never hear Sean Paul a twang? Sean Paul not
Never,
twang.
never.
Sean Paul
No
not
collab,
twang.
nothing.
No, not anyone that collab them Sean Paul. A matter of fact, Sean Paul is, I think, me that probably say Sean Paul have one of the biggest dancehall song them. Yeah, Sean Paul have a whole heap of, well, Sean
Yeah.
Paul have a lot of big
Yeah.
song. Where it's a collab,
Yeah.
but the fact say imminent, it's also dancehall. You see me?
Why the latest biggest song for
What are they?
dancehall?
Beenie Man now. Because Beenie Man ever talk about my king of dancehall.
Yeah.
Beenie Man do him work, I mean, business with Beenie Man work. But Beenie Man not reach
On a
the level.
world scale, would have put Beenie over Kartel too, you know.
Yeah, Beenie Man bigger than Kartel worldwide.
Yeah.
And anybody debate upon that, them don't know. A matter of fact, Beenie Man have the biggest dancehall line. But
What that? Zim Zimmer.
Zim Zimmer.
Yeah,
Who got the
true,
keys
that
to my
true,
bima? You go anywhere in the world, you can turn to somebody and say, Zim Zimmer. Them are going to finish it. Majority. But you can't do that for a Kartel song. You can't have to a random person out there in the world and do that.
Maybe Clarks.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe Clarks.
Maybe. Yeah,
And
but
maybe Fever too.
Fever,
But it's still not go big
Fever
like
big,
Zim
but
Zimmer.
Fever not big like oh. But look, Sean Paul have a big song and people can't know. Enough people don't know Sean Paul's song. Have a statement line where people might say, yo, but no. Like how
Yeah.
them know Zim Zimmer.
Yeah.
So, and Sean Paul, the last time I check on a Sean Paul song, them, you know.
Maybe Give Me the Light or so.
Sean Paul have song big and Give Me the Light, man. Sean
True,
Paul have
true,
one
you
song
know.
where him do with a girl. And the last time I checked, it about 2.3 billion views.
I must
And
say
that-
Clean
and that they
Bandit. I must say
Yes,
that.
it's the same one.
Yeah.
And it do the same time, I think it do the same time where Kartel the Fever.
True.
If me not wrong still. But
No.
Yeah,
I
man.
think it do after.
But
Me
I
not
see him
sure.
about probably 9 years ago.
Yeah.
In the same time, and Kartel last time I checked
No,
Kartel.
because even Sean Paul a big go down there.
Yeah, that's the biggest dancehall song in a recent time with Spice. Same thing again, Sean Paul tonight.
Yeah.
Cause the Spice, Sean Paul and Shaggy.
Yeah.
But you have to know music and know music history. Now, we don't just come talk. Well, not to me, I select enough people. I say, but I'm a selector. We know music, man. And we
Yeah.
don't just talk music and just talk do. We know where I say, man. We know where I say. So when me tell them, say, yo, Sean Paul are the man.
Yeah.
And my king of dancehall, just have it so. But in terms of the diaspora, and where people them gravitate to and love on the ground,
Yeah.
a Kartel.
Kartel.
You can't go around that.
Basically, people, in real honesty, yeah, a Fox Nico Fire attack. You see me I say? And for all of those who really know dancehall, these things that Nico Fire I say right now, yeah, they're kind of undeniable. You see me I say? And at the end of the day, even Zim Zima, where I talk about with Beenie Man, yeah. Basically, you can go anywhere in the world and say Zim Zima and everybody know who you attack. You see me I say? And really and truly, on the international stage, Sean Paul and Beenie Man, yeah, is kind of more out there than Vybz Kartel. You see me I say? But honestly, people, that is just my opinion. You see me I say? I want you to share full opinion on this situation down into the comment section and make we discuss it. And I'm going to leave you to be the judge of everything when Nico Fire say, right? I say, you see me I say, people. But also, people, you don't know that we have come to the end of the video. So remember to give this video a like, yeah. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on the post notification bell so that you can get all of the latest updates from Flava Media Ent TV. But people, as usual, you know how we do the thing already. Peace, love, unity, bless up every day, every time. I'm out.